Just finishing setting up for the exhibition that's going to be opening this evening. I organise our volunteer programme, so organise who's invigilating the space throughout the whole exhibition, put together a lot of the marketing for the events programme, just basically making sure everything was in place. When you work here, you have so many keys because this building is so old. It stresses me out how many keys there are. Hiya. I really wanted to get a job in galleries and in the arts, but I didn't have the money to take an unpaid internship.
So BoArts is a founding member of the STEP programme, and for us it was really important to fill one of our entry-level roles with the traineeship that paid properly, so paid London living wage. By becoming part of a programme like this, you're making good connections. When we founded STEPs, that was really important. You're coming together with those like-minded organisations and pooling our resources, and A New Direction have absolutely supported that process the whole way.
It's made me more optimistic to think that I actually could do it. Because I think before it's just really soul-crushing, applying for jobs that are just underpaid. I don't think they would give you the skill set that I've got here, whereas I feel like this is a really good sort of launch pad to go on to do whatever else I want to do. And things feel way more sort of achievable now, and I think a career in the arts is way more attainable.
We're a dance company that works in East London.
We bring dance to people and people to dance.
I didn't know anything about East London dance, even though I grew up just down the road.
This is our second year of being involved in the STEP programme. It's an amazing opportunity for us to work with people in East London who might not necessarily have a traditional route into the arts.
Today is an example of how different the day-to-day operation things can be.
Working with someone who has lived experience of the community and really engages and knows what has happened in this part of East London, they can see the positives and the challenges.
There's so many elements to STEP that make it really good for someone, especially for people who feel like they need a new direction. There's so much support that comes with the STEP programme. Working with the other members of the cohort has been really fun and opened up new opportunities. The Meet a Mentor element is really helpful.
Lovely to have an exchange. I really enjoy that too. I think there's benefits on both sides, definitely.
Every 6 weeks you're all going to come together, exchange ideas and hear from an inspirational speaker. I think that's really important to sort of have it in a sort of case, if you like.